Fish on, baby. Big one too. There we go. That's what we were waiting for. Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're going to talk about ultralight backpacking survival fishing rods. So stick around. Okay, so I just got back from scouting up in the Rocky Mountains. I was there for a couple days, and let me tell you something. That place was outstanding. The video is currently in the editing process, so it should pop off sometime early next week, so look for that. But while I was up there, I got a chance to try out 2 ultralight backpacking fishing rods, and let me tell you, those were badass. And for those of you that watch my channel, you're aware by now that there's anything I can do to increase my chances of survival or my overall survivability, especially when it comes to fishing, you know I'm all about it. So let's go ahead and kick this off with the Steinhauser Telescopic Fishing Pole. This Steinhauser Telescopic Fishing Rod is engineered for spin cast reels, both standard and micro. Has a medium action fiberglass rod that extends up to 30 feet. And comes with a spin cast reel and 6-pound test. Let's go ahead and check out some of the key features of this rod and reel combo. Let's go ahead and start down here at the handle. It's a composite handle that matches up with this EVA material, which guarantees a non-slip grip. Now the reel itself, you have your gear ratio, followed by your adjustable drag. And the best part, you can swap this reel out if you don't like it, with a spin cast of your choice, either standard or micro. And like I already mentioned, it will extend up to 30 inches. Come on, baby. And fish on. Look at that. The fighter too. Look at that. Look at that bad boy. Oh yeah. Look at that bad boy. No fish can resist the evil forces of the super duper. Oh yeah. Fish on, baby. Big one too. There we go. That's what we were waiting for. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. That's what we're talking about right there. Look at that. Outstanding. On the Steinhauser, using a super duper golden red. Nice. Well, that was dope. Let's go ahead and move on to the M-Rod spinning reel combo. The M-Rod spinning reel combo is engineered for spinning reels both standard and micro. It has a medium action replaceable pole. It comes with a standard spinning reel, is 21 inches in length when assembled, and weighs 8 ounces. Just like last time, let's go ahead and check out some of the key features. Let's go ahead and start down here with the handle. It's a composite handle with an EVA material, which guarantees a non-slip grip. On the reel itself, you have your gear ratio, followed by your adjustable drag. Your spinning reel can be swapped out with any standard or micro spinning reel. And here's the best part. Depending on what type of fishing you're doing or what type of action that you want, the pole itself can be swapped out for one to facilitate those needs. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. On the M-Rod, baby. Look at that. Yes, sir. Fish on. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Come on, buddy. Look at that bad boy. Number 2 with the M-Rod and a super duper. Look at that bad boy. Number 2. Welcome back. These poles were outstanding. Let's go ahead and talk price. Steinhauser, $35. M-Rod, $88. If you're on a fixed budget or you want a low budget ultralight pole, Steinhauser all day, every day. If you can afford the $88, my suggestion would be save the money, get the M-Rod. It gives you the ability to swap out the poles for different actions or different types of fishing. As usual, All the gear in this video can be found on my Amazon influencer page. I'll toss that link inside the description box. Please do me that favor. Hit that like and subscribe button, then ring that notification bell. Once you ring that bell, please select all notifications. And as always, thank you for your comments, views, and support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.